Hey folks, today we have a beer from Oddbird. This is their Mort. It is an Imperial Stout aged in Hillock. Hillock? Yes, I believe that's what that says. Aged in Hillock bourbon barrels. It is 11% alcohol by volume. They released this the end of last year, I think. I was cleaning up in here and I saw this bottle and I was like, holy shit, I haven't reviewed this yet. And so that's my bad. So yeah. So now I'm reviewing it. I put it in the fridge for a little bit. It wasn't in the fridge. It was in the fridge for maybe an hour. Maybe, I think it was less than 2 hours though, but so it's a little chilly, but it's not cold. I don't know if you can see that, but it's black on, or dark purple on black. It looks cool, but it's a little hard to read. But yeah. So yeah, that's stout. There's some brown in there. That's half finger of a it's darker than khaki, but I wouldn't call it mocha. So whatever that is. Yeah. I like how that looks. It kind of looks like a coffee foam. Yeah, let's see what it smells like. There's chocolate in there. There's a dark fruit in there. There is there's some cherry in there. There's a little bit of like cherry cordial thing in there. You do get the bourbon. Man, it kind of smells like it smells like there's like baking spices in this as well, like a little bit of cinnamon or something. Just lost my thought. Yeah. Ginger, maybe? I don't know. That's weird. Wasn't expecting to get the, because it's also the way it comes across, the that baking spice kind of thing. It smells really good. It smells really good. So I'm gonna drink it now. Cheers. It's got the mouthfeel is weird because I want to say it's a little thin, but there's like a creamy fluffiness to it that makes me okay with it. Yeah, that baking spice thing is in here too. That's awesome. Yeah. You get chocolate. It's a little bit of like a I'm gonna say it's a little bit of like milk chocolate and like powdered cocoa kind of thing. I could be wrong. I don't know my chocolates. A little bit of that cherry cordial is in there. You get the bourbon up front, and like right near the middle, you get a little pop of like heat. I think it's from the spirit and not from the ABV. Yeah, there's a little more vanilla in the taste. I wasn't really getting any vanilla in the aroma, but it's kind of like I was getting the baking spice thing in the aroma, but in the taste, the vanilla kind of smooths out the that baking spice thing. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of this. Yeah. I think I just got a little bit of a nutty thing near the finish. I think that's the barrel. I think I'm getting some wood, but the way it's incorporated into the beer, it comes off like a little nutty thing. Oh. I sent a bottle of this to, I believe I sent it to Kyle from No Hype Beer Reviews, and I believe he reviewed it. And so I'm going to have to go watch his. And you should go watch his if you haven't. Yeah, he posted it like a month ago or something. I don't know. But, because the last time I sent him a box, I was like, I don't know what I was doing. But, actually, it was probably over a month ago. But, I like sent him the box, and then I was just like doing other stuff, and I completely blanked on like being like, oh, I've got this beer we could do together or whatever. You guys don't need to know that. So, Oddbird is awesome. There's a little bit of like a cola thing in here too now. Starting to get it. It's more of like a general kind of thing that I'm getting after have taken a few sips and letting it sit and whatever. Yeah. So yeah, thanks for hanging out. Hope you're doing well. Taking care of yourselves, taking care of each other. You can like this video if you'd like to. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You can follow me on Instagram at 93lumber. That's spelled out 93lumber. We will see you in the next one. Cheers.